Dear viewers, I am welcoming you to my channel. Today, I have appeared in front of you with a very interesting video. The video is the amazing magic on science. I am showing you different type of magic on science, especially on chemistry and physics. So, I request you watch the video till end. It is a very interesting video. I hope it will be very interesting for you. So let's
Dear viewers, you are requested not to smoke cigarette. It is very injurious to health. It causes cancer. The cigarette used here is only for experiment purpose, not to smoke it.